Good morning, dear students. Warm welcome to this session. You are watching EduStar Class 5 Science Lesson 6 Safety and First Aid Part 1. Already we have completed 5 lessons, isn't it? Today we are going to see Lesson 6 Safety and First Aid Part 1. Students, you are learning this safety lesson from the first standard onwards, isn't it? Why are we learning about this safety? Yes, dears, safety is must in our home and outside of the home also. Now, we are going to learn about what is an accident, safety rules at home, safety rules on the road, and how to escape from fire. Dear children, shall we start this lesson with a small activity? Okay dears, let's start. All of you look at these given pictures. Say yes for the picture where safety rules being followed and say no those where safety rules are not being followed. Is it clear children? First picture for you. Say yes or no. What he is doing? He is playing with the candle and fire. Whether it is safe for him? No dears. So, he needs to handle candle and the fire carefully. Isn't it? Next picture for you. What he is doing? He is playing with a sharp object like blade and knife. Isn't it? Say yes or no. Whether can we play with this kind of sharp objects? No. Next picture for you. They are walking on the footpath. Whether it is correct or not? Yes, both of them they are following the road rule and they are walking on the footpath. This is correct. Next picture for you. What are they doing? They are leaving their head and hand outside the bus window. Whether it is correct? No, we should not leave our hand and head outside the bus window. This is also wrong. Okay, dear children. Now we are going to see how do accidents occur. Accidents may happen with anyone, anytime and anywhere. Accidents may happen at any time and place. Accidents are dangerous as they cause injury to people. They can sometimes even cause death. We need alertness and common sense to avoid accidents. When people are not alert, they increase their chances of meeting with an accident. Okay dears, now we see the safety rules at home, safety rules on the road and how to escape from fire. First we are going to see about safety rules at home. If we spilled water, we have to wipe it immediately. Never leave the kitchen or bathroom floor wet, because someone may slip on it and get hurt. Next, when you are alone, make sure all the doors and windows are closed. Through the peephole when someone's at the door. Never open the door right away when you see the stranger's face through the peephole. Next, when you are alone in your home, you should not use burner or try to cook. Use all the electrical gadgets such as iron box, washing machine, water heater, etc. under your mama's guidance only. We must follow the safety rules in the kitchen. If there is a gas leak, first we have to warn everyone in the house, then we have to open all the doors and windows in and around the kitchen so that the gas spreads out. Do not operate any electrical switches as it may explode the gas. Get the leakage repaired immediately. If the oil in the pan catches fire, control the fire by covering the pan. Throw some baking soda on the burning oil. What is baking soda? Do you know that? Ask your mama how she is using the baking soda in her cooking. Dear students, never throw water. It will splatter the oil and spread the fire. Throwing baking soda on the burning oil can stop spreading of fire. Next, throw banana peels and other waste in the dustbin to avoid slipping. Don't climb on any kinds of furniture without the support. You may fall and you can get hurt. Dear students, don't do like this, okay? Dear children, can you understand the safety rules at home that we must follow at home? Okay, next we are going to see about the safety rules on the road. Shall we? First thing, don't play on the road. Play only in safe places like parks and playgrounds, not on the road. Keep left always while walking on the road. While walking in the corridor in our school, teachers we often saying keep left like that, isn't it? Cross the road using the subway or on the zebra crossing. We must walk carefully on the road. We should not run on the busy traffic road. Do not get into or out of moving bus or train. Do not peep out of a moving vehicle. Next, the important thing is we have to learn about the road signs and follow them. Road signs only say about the roads and traffic. We should not use mobile phone while riding bike or driving car on the road. It is very dangerous, isn't it? You should not ride bike before 18 years of your age. After 18, you can apply and get for two-wheeler license and then you can ride bike on the road. Okay, dears. Next, let's see the safety rules to escape from fire. Be careful while handling matchbox, candles and firecrackers, etc. Do not wear synthetic cloths like nylon cloths when cooking in the kitchen because these kind of cloths catch fire easily. Check wiring and electrical appliances regularly for any fault or breaks in the wiring. Replace faulty gas pipes immediately. A fire can be put out by the following methods. In case of big fire accident, immediately call adults and for help and inform fire station. The emergency number of a fire station is 101. In case of electrical fire, switch off the mains immediately. Do not use water to put out electrical fire. use sand, mud or fire extinguisher to put out electrical fire. In case of fire caused by petrol or kerosene, throw mud and sand instead of water to put out of the fire. This is because petrol is lighter than water. It will float up on water and continue burning. Students, have you understood what is accident and safety rules at home and safety rules on the road and from fire? Now check yourself. Say true or false. We should follow the safety rules to avoid accidents. Whether true or false? Yes, dears, it's true. We should replace faulty gas pipes immediately. True or false? Yes, this is also true. We should wear nylon cloths while cooking. Whether can we wear nylon cloths while cooking? No, it's wrong. So it is false. We should not strike a matchstick in case of gas leak. Yes, it is true. Petrol fire can be put out using water. Whether it is true or false? If any kind of fire, we have to use sand or mud instead of water, isn't it? Because water is a good conductor of electricity and you can get electric shock also. So we should not use water to put out of the fire. So this is wrong. It's false. Okay, dear children, everybody answered well. Very good. Now we are going to write the classwork for lesson 5, Food and Health. All of you take one new page in your science classwork note and write today's date in the date column and write the name of the lesson 5, Food and Health as usual. Use black pen to write name of the lesson and the heading also. Dear children, concentrate on your handwriting. You can write neatly. Okay, let's start to write as it is in the video. Write the heading food with black pen and write about the food with blue pen. Food is essential for our body. Food gives us energy. Food builds and repairs our body. Next, write the nutrients heading with black pen. Food contains certain useful substances are called nutrients. The nutrients give energy to our body. They protect our body against diseases and help in its growth and development. There are 5 types of nutrients. They are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Next, food groups we have to write. There are 3 types of food groups. Just draw the flow chart as it is on the screen. Use pencil to draw the boxes. Use black pen to write the 3 food groups name: energy giving food, body building food and protective food. You can use blue pen to write the remaining. Can you understand, dears? Next, write about carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Next, you have to write about vitamins and vitamin A, vitamin B and vitamin C and vitamin D also. Today classwork is over. Remaining we will write in the next video session. We came to the end of this session. We will meet soon in our next video session. Thank you, dears.